Childhood Memories, a NailTube Friends collab. Brenda from Entre Esmaltes chose the theme for this month. Carito from Carito Yañez and I joined in. If you're coming over from their channel, welcome and I hope you'll stay. As a base, I chose these two gorgeous nail polishes because they look kind of vintage to me. This one from Fresh Paint is called Rose, and this gorgeous shimmery peach from Shai called Peaches and Cream. I only applied one coat, but I'm going to apply the second coat with you guys right now. I love these Fresh Paint polishes from Five Below. They're really nice. They have a lot of beautiful shades and the price is really good. It looks gorgeous. And now let's apply the second coat of the Peaches and Cream polish. This one dries really fast. Now we wait for it to dry so we can start stamping. I always like to do a little bit of cleanup if it's necessary. To stamp, I'll be using my black Beauty Bigbang stamping polish, which is number 2. And one of the sweetest memories I have of my childhood is when my parents used to take us to Disney World. So that's why I chose this plate QA57, which has images of Mickey Mouse and Minnie. And I also picked this one from Born Pretty Flower Yarn S002 just in case I want to use any of these decorations. Let's start stamping. To clean off the excess, I use a little piece of tape, and that way I don't have to use that much acetone. Now I want to do the hand again, but I want to do it the right hand instead of the left hand, so I'm going to have to use 2 stampers for this one. I'm going to try it one more time and see if it works. If not, then I won't do it. It worked! Yay! And now I'm going to do Minnie's bow. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. Now we clean up. To finish off, I'll apply my Wet n Wild matte top coat. I apply a generous amount so that it doesn't smear the stamping. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Remember to check the description box where I'll have links to my friends' videos.